YouTube, this is JT with another video, and as you can see here, or if you've been following my channel, we have the 1997 SVT Cobra Mustang that I've been working on over the last year, and this is a quick video of a rundown and a walk around of what's been done. So starting from the ground up, as you can see here, the calipers, which I have a video showing how to paint these calipers. The calipers are painted in like that Ford blue, just slotted brakes, original Cobra wheels, and I have the headlight covers. Headlights are LED and the fog lights are LED as well, so that's that. And we'll go around. And I could not be happier with the paint job. You know, it came out very, very well from what it used to be. That's the rear. And the car does have a coilover suspension. Personally, I don't like it. It's a little bouncy, but you know, compared to what it had before, I mean, it's night and day. I got the little Cobra decal in the back, the chrome one. I had to change this SVT logo back here because the original one, it's made out of like a rubber. I guess it's wrapped like in chrome, and that deteriorated. I mean, the car is, you know, from 1997, so a lot of the rubber components are no longer good. And let's take a look at the interior. The interior there, passenger seat and the rear. And this car has 61,000 original miles now. I drove it a little bit here and there, more like a weekend car. This shift knob, it has a short shifter as well. And let's start her up for you guys. Sorry, I had to press down on the clutch there. And the only thing that turns on is the ABS light for some reason. I think it might be either a fuse or one of the sensors. But the ABS brakes work. I've tested them out just to make sure, and they do work. And let's go ahead and pop open the hood for you guys too. Did a little bit of cable management here on the spark plug wires. The valve covers I painted in blue, old school, like a muscle car blue. And the car's solid, man. I really love the car. Let's go to the exhaust so you can hear it. And again, I believe they're Flowmaster. Flowmaster exhaust. I don't know if it's an X pipe or H pipe or anything like that. Let's see if I can so yeah, that's pretty much that. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. If there were a few things that I would change about the car, or some things that I don't like about the car, one, living in Florida, the AC. I would love to have AC in this car, but you know, not that it can't have AC, I just can't afford it at the moment. Another thing is just the suspension, and the third gear seems to grind when it goes over 3,000 RPM. So under 3,000 RPM it's fine, but it does do like a little grind after 3,000 RPM. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The car is for sale, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.